Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about GPT-3 and GPT-4 model. Natural language generation has come a long way in recent years, and GPT-3 and GPT-4 are two models that have been at the forefront of this development. These models have been created by OpenAI, and both of them have been designed to generate human-like text for various applications. While these two models may seem quite similar, there are some key differences between them. In this, we'll explore some of the main differences between GPT-3 and GPT-4. One of the most significant differences between these two models is their size. GPT-4 is a much larger model than GPT-3, with over 175 billion parameters, while GPT-3 has only 1.5 billion parameters. This larger size gives GPT-4 an advantage in terms of its ability to generate more accurate and sophisticated responses to given prompts. Another key difference between these models is their data source. GPT-3 is a text-to-text model, which means it learns from existing text and can provide different ways to end a sentence. GPT-4, on the other hand, is more of a data-to-text model, which means it can generate text based on structured data such as tables, graphs, or images. This gives GPT-4 more flexibility and versatility in creating text. Finally, there is the issue of text quality. While GPT-3 is capable of generating impressive amounts of text, it has been known to produce texts that need to be fact-checked or that may give wrong or improper information. GPT-4, on the other hand, is expected to have better text consistency, meaningfulness, and quality, as it can leverage more data sources and parameters to generate text. Overall, both GPT-3 and GPT-4 are impressive models that have the potential to revolutionize the field of natural language generation. While GPT-3 has already made significant strides in this area, GPT-4 promises to take things to the next level. By leveraging more data sources and more sophisticated algorithms, it is likely that GPT-4 will be able to generate even more impressive and human-like text than its predecessor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more video about technology.